Welcome to the official AI Hustle Club, where AI meets ambition and turns it into action. We don't hustle harder, but smarter. While most people are in deep REM sleep, dreaming of vacations they can't afford, we are making money. Not because we are some kinds of tech wizard, not because we drink mushroom coffee and wake up at 5 a.m., but because we have built income systems that never clock out. No inventory, no late night emails, no angry customers asking for refunds. In this video, we will show you exactly how we use AI to generate passive income 24/7. These methods work. Whether you are an introvert, don't want to show your face, or just prefer working in your pajamas. Let's dive into the AI hustle blueprint. The truth about passive incomes. Let's be real for a second. Passive income sounds like a dream, but it's not magic. It's systems. Yes, you need to hustle in the beginning. But once you set up the right tools and let AI do the heavy lifting, the money keeps flowing even when you're offline. Think of it like planting digital seeds. You water them once and AI keeps the garden growing. And today we are breaking down 5 real income streams. And these aren't theoretical. These aren't make $100,000 a month in your sleep scams. Just smart, scalable systems that work. Let's get into it. Income stream 1. AI-generated digital products. This is our bread and butter. We use ChatGPT to create ebooks, checklists, templates, and mini courses. You would be shocked how many people will pay for well-organized info, even if it's freely available online. For example, we created a 30-day AI side hustle planner over one weekend using ChatGPT and Canva. It's nothing fancy, just clean design, solid prompts, and a few strategic tips. We listed it on Gumroad. It took maybe 3 hours of work. That planner still makes sales every week while we are walking the dog. Or binge watching a Netflix series we will never admit to liking. Here's a tip. Use Zapier to automate product delivery. Someone buys, they instantly get the file. You don't lift a finger. It's like having a virtual assistant who never calls in sick. Want a real-world inspiration? There's a teacher on Etsy who made over $80,000 selling lesson plan templates using AI to structure and design everything. Passive income isn't just for tech bros anymore. Income stream 2. Faceless YouTube automation. Faceless channels. Yes, just like this one. You don't need a camera crew or a fancy studio. All you need is ChatGPT for the script, Pictory for the video, a voice for AI perfection, and a niche people care about. Popular ones: AI tools, productivity hacks, finance tips, relationship advice, and believe it or not, deep dives into weird celebrity business moves. Once you upload a video, it can earn through AI AdSense, the affiliate links, sponsored shoutouts. Example, we made a video on top 5 AI tools for lazy entrepreneurs. It cost us $0 to produce. That video now earns passive income every month. Want a funny twist? One guy commented, "This channel is like ChatGPT with a personality? Thanks, buddy. We will take it." Faceless YouTube equals scalable, evergreen, and zero personal drama. Income stream 3. Affiliate marketing with AI content. This one's for the content creators, without burnout. We use ChatGPT to write blog posts, newsletters, and carousels. Then we insert affiliate links to tools we genuinely use, like Canva, Pictory, Jasper, and Notion. It's not about selling everything under the sun. It's about showing people how these tools solve real problems. One blog we wrote, "How to create Instagram carousels with ChatGPT plus Canva," continues to get traffic and generate commissions. We wrote it months ago. It still pays us like clockwork. Pro tip, use AI to batch create content. One afternoon of work can lead to weeks of income. Want a real world win? A stay-at-home mom made over $25,000 last year by recommending AI tools to her Pinterest audience with zero ad spend. If you can teach, you can earn. Income stream 4, AI plus print-on-demand merch. This one's fun. ChatGPT gives us niche slogans. Funny, relatable, sometimes even weird. Then we take those and design merch in Canva or with tools like Midjourney. We could upload them to Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring. They handle everything: printing, shipping, and even angry customer emails. Want to know about one of our bestsellers? A t-shirt that says, "I'm not lazy, I'm AI efficient." No joke, it's sold in over 20 countries, mostly to remote workers, night owls, and to people who thinks they are hilarious. Print on demand is perfect if you've got a bit of creativity and don't want to deal with boxes in your garage. Income stream number 5. Freelance services. Powered by AI, yes, it's technically not 100% passive, but it can be optimized. On Fiverr and Upwork, we offer services like AI-powered content calendars, SEO blog outlines, brand kits for startups. Here's the kicker. ChatGPT does about 80% of the work. You are not cheating, you're streamlining. You deliver better, faster, and more consistently. That's what clients want. Example, we once got paid $150 to create a 1-month content calendar. ChatGPT made the outline in 5 minutes. We polished it, added dates and hooks, and delivered in under an hour. Freelancing plus AI equals high-efficiency hustle. Weekly passive income routine. You're probably thinking, okay, but how do you manage all this? Simple. We have a system. Here's our weekly flow. Monday, create 1 digital product or faceless YouTube video. Tuesday, write content with affiliate links. Wednesday, optimize listings or refresh Fiverr gigs. Thursday, review analytics, tweak strategies. Friday, repurpose content. Turn blogs into tweets, videos into reels, carousels into email swipes. Saturday and Sunday, we unplug because AI doesn't need weekends. This routine keeps everything moving, even when we are not. If you're not using AI to build passive income yet, you're not late. You're just one system away. The tools are here. The templates are ready. The excuses outdated. Subscribe to official AI Hustle Club for real-world strategies that actually work. No fluff, no hype. And remember to hustle smart, automate fast, and sleep rich. Catch you in the next video.